Why AI is the top productivity hack for modern businesses. We have all been told that to grow a business, we need to hire more people. But what if that's no longer true? In today's fast paced digital world, businesses are under pressure to move faster, do more, and stay lean, all at once. But here is the problem: hiring human employees is time consuming, expensive, and often inefficient. Training takes weeks, mistakes happen, turnover is high, and for many small teams, it's simply not sustainable. Meanwhile, your to do list keeps growing. Respond to leads, send follow ups, write content, schedule calls, manage support, track performance. You are either working 16 hours a day or you are dropping the ball. But now, here is the opportunity. What if you could automate 80% of that workload using AI? And that's what the high level AI employee does. It's not just a tool, it's a team member you never have to manage. And it's changing how modern businesses scale. Let's look at why this is the top productivity hack of the decade. It's on demand. AI does not sleep, get sick, or take vacations. Your systems keep running even when you're offline. It's cost effective. You replace the need for multiple hires with one smart setup, saving thousands in payroll. Whether it's follow up emails, lead responses, or content creation, AI delivers in seconds and not hours. It's consistent. Your brand voice, message, and response time stay consistent 24 by 7. And it's scalable. As your business grows, your AI employee does not need more hours, just smarter workflows. Real world users have reduced 10 to 15 hours of weekly manual work with a single workflow, freeing time to focus on high impact tasks. So here is the big idea. You don't need to hire more people to grow your business. You need better systems powered by smart AI that works like a digital team. So before we dive into the how to, ask yourself, if I could save 10 hours a week by automating one part of my business, what would it be? And that's your first AI opportunity. In the next module, we will build your first AI employee step by step. No tech skills, no confusion. So let's turn your productivity problem into an AI powered solution.